help me figure this out. Hello? D-Monk, hey, what's up? Come on in.
Man, your place is hard to find. You realize you live in the middle of a huge field, right? God, look at that thing. What are you doing over there?
Oh, I'm just trying to figure out an idea for our show.
Oh, boy.
So, frustrated right now, you don't understand.
You're always frustrated.
I know. I have my thinking cap on.
Thinking cap? What are you, 8?
I can't think of anything.
What about prizes.org?
What?
Prizes.org.
Prizes.org?
Prizes.org.
Prizes? Never heard of it.
Oh, man. Wrap your mind around this, sister. Go to www.prizes.org. It's free to sign up and really easy to get started.
Okay.
Just click on Create, pick a group that best represents your contest, choose the category, title that thing, and write a detailed description about it. Set the rules, choose the duration, figure out how much cash you want to drop to the winner, then preview and create.
Sounds legit.
It's too legit.
I need something legit.
Too legit to quit. Right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it.
Let's do it.
I'm sure a lot of people can help us. And, we have great ideas we can share as well.
The best ones.
That's so helpful. Thank you, D-Monk. You rock.
Like a chipmunk rock star.
You know what I feel like doing now?
Horseback riding.
You're funny. No.
Frolicking in the woods.
Going bowling.
Bowling?
Are you coming?
Fine.
Great. Yay.